Hi guys, I'm back and today we are gonna do a hair tutorial and I'm gonna show you how to do loose waves and we're gonna go from this to this. Now let's talk about the tools. We're gonna need a curling wand with a clamp, a heat protectant spray, hair clips to section our hair, and to finish off this look we're gonna need a dry texturizing spray. That's everything, so let's just get started. First step, we're gonna use a heat protectant and I'm gonna use this one from Moroccanoil, which is called Perfect Defense. As you can see, it's completely dry. That's why I love this heat protectant, because it has a super fine mist, it's very lightweight, and it dries right away. Second step, we're gonna section our hair with this clips that I showed you guys before. Step 3, we're gonna start curling our hair and I'm gonna take pieces like this one. I open the clamp, I put it right in the middle and I start curling up, always facing out. I hold it there for 3 seconds, release the clamp a little bit and slide the hair down and go back and curl it up. Hold it for 5 seconds and release. That's the curl. And I'm going to continue curling the rest of my hair. Same technique. And I'm going to do the same with this front piece. I'm just going to curl it up to here, not so close to the root. Slide, hold it for 5 seconds, and release. And that's it. Last step, a dry texturizing spray. This is a finished look. Hope you guys like it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys next week.